Behold, I will do a new thing. It springs out now. Don't you know it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the deserts. Isaiah 43:19. Hello, beautiful family. Most welcome back again to the Love Vista channel. I do hope you're doing well and you're all taking good care of yourselves. Today on the menu, as you can see, these vibrant, good-looking, flaky Ghanaian meat pie is on. Whenever you're in doubt, family, please do bake and it's going to work. These meat pies were inspired by the Jamaican beef patties, family. This tastes incredibly delicious. It is love at first bite. So stay tuned and let's do this together. So family, for our ingredients, we have all-purpose flour, cold unsalted butter, and we have our cold milk. I use here my whole milk. You can use any type of milk that you prefer. And I also have my spices, which is the salt, nutmeg, baking powder, and the secret ingredient is turmeric powder. Yes, I use just a teaspoon of turmeric powder to switch things up, and this is going to give a beautiful touch to your flaky meat pie, and it's so eye-catchy, family. So that is all that you need. You can also use water, cold water, in place of the milk if you don't have milk at home. Okay, so let's get started. So I begin by mixing all my dry ingredients together in a bowl and mix it really well, especially now that we have turmeric powder. Let me tell you straight up that when you mix the turmeric powder at this stage, you're not going to see that vibrant color just yet. Hold on, don't add more. Just a teaspoonful is so enough, family, because once you add any form of liquid to this, the color begins to pop up. Okay, so if your main goal is to achieve that golden vibrant color and you begin to add and add and add on this stage, you're going to have an excessive vibrant color. Family, as we all know, too much of everything is really bad. No matter how good the thing is, if you add it too much, it will end up being bad. Okay, so be gentle with your turmeric powder here. Okay, so you can see I use just a teaspoon and you see how the color will become in a short while. Okay, so I just go ahead to mix my butter and allow it to incorporate well with my dry ingredients, and you will end up getting this mushy filling. Should be able to form a ball that can easily break. Yes, that is the point. And now look at what I was talking about. That color is popping up slowly. Just wait until I add the milk and it will even pop more. That's how turmeric reacts with flour, so please don't go in with it too much. Okay, and please start to drizzle a little bit of your milk on it and let's just mix it. Don't add all at once, as it could get too soft and we don't want the dough to be like that. That is exactly how I want my dough to be like. So it's done. This doesn't need too much, mixing and kneading at all. If your main goal is to have a flaky meat pie like I do, please do not overmix it, as your dough will gain lots of gluten, and that is a no-no for flaky meat pie. Okay, I'm going ahead to wrap up my dough and I'll set it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. It's now time for me to prep my filling, and with my fillings I have some corned beef. Yes, corned beef. And I have some veggies. You can use any veggies of choice, the ones that you love. These I went for carrots, green pepper, spring onions, red onions, and the white onions. Yes, that is what I went for. So I just go ahead to put a little bit of oil and then goes in my veggies one after the other. I like to divide the onions into two because I love to have some crunchy onions in my pie, but you can go ahead and fry all of them at once. It is totally up to you. And I just go in with 2 teaspoonful of my all-purpose seasoning. So after my veggies is fried and well seasoned, I go in with my corned beef, my corner beef. Yes, corned beef meat pie is so delicious. As you can see, I did not add any more salt. You just have to taste it for yourself. So I just go ahead and mix it all up. Yes, that is it, family. We are done. It is so easy. Yes, I love my meat pie to have that, simple filling. No lippy or no lapa lapa. So we are done, and we are about to get our dough formed into the shapes that we want. Okay, so that is the fat part of meat pie. You can shape it into any form that you prefer. I have two favorites, and you already know, so let's get that done. That is it, we are done, and I'm going to make some holes on top of my pies, and I'll go in with my egg wash as well. The process is gone. I've preheated my oven at 180 degrees, and these babies are going in for at least 12 minutes, and after that, look at how amazing they are looking. It's all done, and it's looking so good, smelling even amazing. Before the presentation, 5 of them were already gone. They were so good. Everyone in the house loved this meat pie. I'm really very curious of what you would love to pair this with, but here I paired it with some Coca-Cola. It was just the bomb. So the only difference between this and the Jamaican beef patty is with the Jamaican one, they use curry, and now not everyone loves curry because of its strong aroma if not used properly. So it is so safe to use your turmeric, and you could not even tell that you have turmeric in there. It was so good, family. Thank you so much, family, for watching till the end. And if this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey Starch. My main goal here is to cheer you up in making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. And I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you once again, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video.